Okay, today I want to make a Python program that will read one episode from the 13 Reasons Why, which is the show that I really enjoyed watching it. So I have a script of the first episode of 13 Reasons Why here as a text file here, and we are going to make a Python program that will read this text file, and then we'll want to know how many character has been appeared in the script, the frequency. Okay, let's do that. So here I already wrote the program for the how to know how many times they have appeared. So I'm gonna walk you through and explain the line by line. So first we will need a list of casts. So each character is here. So with the list of these characters, we are gonna go through it again. So just place them there for now, and then we are gonna read the script. So here is the full path for my text file, but you can, if you are in the same working directory, you can just open it as the name. And let's check if it's done correctly. So as you can see here, text.io wrapper name ep1 underscore script on text mode, reading mode, okay? So we successfully load this script to the variable script, and we are gonna make the empty dictionary called accounts. So what this will do is for later, so we are gonna make a for loop, and we are gonna add all the words to this empty dictionary counts and how many times they have appeared, each word has appeared. So we'll want to make a for loop, and this will go through every line of the script. And if we print a line here, as you can see, so it prints the script line by line. But something weird here is that they print out with one empty space between there, right? So because when we do the print, so automatically it adds the new line at the end. So when we print line, so there is a new line here, so that's why it makes new line. So there's empty space between here. So first we want to remove that by line.strip, and it will remove all the empty things, the new line. So if we do the print line, so if we check again, so here you see now there is no space between the lines, okay? And then so what we will eventually do is we're gonna tear apart the line by word. So for example, everything was better before. So we are gonna tear apart this line by everything and was and better and before. But the problem here is we want to know how many times the word before appear. But when this like a dot period attached to the before, it cannot count a word before, right? So we'll want to remove all the punctuations from the script. What we can do here is, so I'm gonna make a line translate. So what translate does is, so replace each character in the string using the given translation table. So we will have to give the parameter table, right? We will have to pass it some argument there, which is the table. So to make a table, we can use the method makeTrans here. And makeTrans will take one argument. So first parameter is the character that we want to replace, and second parameter is the character that we want to replace with. So with what character we are going to replace the first characters. But we don't want to replace any characters with other characters. What we want to do is remove punctuations. So to do that, so third parameter basically deletes the character that we want to delete, and we want to delete all the punctuation. So string.punctuation, by doing that, it will remove all the punctuations, okay? And this, so basically this will make a table for that, and then we will pass that table to the translate as an argument, and we will put it to the variable line. And then if we do that, print line, oh, I guess there is some error here. Name string is not, okay, oh, sorry. We will have to import the string module. And if we do it again, string has no punctuation. Okay, sorry. Spelling was wrong. Now, if you see, all the punctuations are gone, okay? And then another thing we want to do is we want to lower the characters so that we can just, so this can with capital C and just can with lower c isn't differ, you know? So to do that, we need to lower all the characters, and then if we check it again, now all the characters are lowered. There is no any capital letters. And now finally we are going to tear apart the lines. So in the variable words, we are going to tear apart the lines. And if we print that, what happens is that, so in the variable words, so words that are tore apart from the line are stored as the list, you know. Then how the hell listen to the tapes, Clay? So now we have just the word, and to the dictionary counts, we are gonna store all these words and stores the value which represent how many times they are appeared. So for word, we are gonna make the for loop for word in words. So basically this will go through every line, every words. So every words in the words. So word by word. So if word not in counts, not in the dictionary counts. So at first, counts dictionary has no value or no keys. So it doesn't have anything, right? So counts word. So we are going to add that word that hasn't appeared to the count. And when it's not in there, we are going to assign the value 1 because it hasn't appeared. So yeah, so it has just appeared. So we're going to give the value 1. Else, if it is already in the counts, we are just going to add the value 1 more. So it increases. So after going through for loop, if we check the counts dictionary, as you see, it is a dictionary which has the key value pairs. So theme has appeared 1 time, music appeared 4 times, the word playing appeared 7 times, more 10 times. So this is key is the word and value is occurrences, frequency, how many times they are appeared. So this is all good, but maybe we can arrange, you know, organize a little bit better, you know, in descending order. So things they haven't appeared most goes to the first, and okay. To do that, so we are gonna make another variable, and we are gonna start. So we are gonna store sorted dictionary to here, okay? So we will want to use dictionary comprehension for x, y in sorted counts items and key lambda x is 1 reverse true. So basically what this will do is count items returns the tuple, so list of tuples that are key value pairs. So So in the count, we have all the words and like occurrence, value of occurrences, right? So they're gonna return the value as the key value pair in tuple. And this in sorted, there's a key parameter. So the key parameter takes the function, and what this will do is this function will be applied to every elements in here. So each element, so it's gonna apply to every tuples in the counts, okay? So this lambda x and colon x1 means so we will sort the dictionary by values, not keys. And then using the list, not list comprehension, using the dictionary comprehension. So in this tuple pair, x will take key and y will take value, and we're gonna make as a dictionary. And okay, maybe we don't want the reverse yet. So just sake of seeing what happens. And then print sorted frequency words. So what happened? So now it's organized by value, but in the ascending order, right? So apparently U has appeared most, 184 times, but we can reverse that actually. Reverse. True. If we reverse that, it will show the in descending order. Okay, this is a little bit better. Okay, this is too dirty. Okay, now we have the list. We have the dictionary of the words that has the value of how many times each of words have appeared. So, but our goal is how many each character has appeared in this episode, right? So to do that, we are gonna make another empty dictionary called cast counts, and we are gonna store the value for the how many times each character has appeared as key value pair. Key is the cast, and so value is how many times they have appeared. So for I, we will want to make another for loop. So len cast. So we will loop through the time. Time is for the how many characters there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it will run 13 times. So we're gonna make the variable cast, and we are gonna store each cast in here. And try. So I'm gonna explain why we are using try a little bit later. So number of appearances, sorted frequency words. So sorted frequency words have all the as a dictionary, all the words and how many times they appeared, right? So if we put the key, try to find the key. So cast. Oh no, we can actually use just cast, right? So we are gonna first put the clay here, because the clay is basically the first element of this list, and so we are gonna see how many values, how many times they have appeared, and we are gonna store the number of appearances and cast counts. So we are gonna add it to the new dictionary cast counts as key value pair. But the problem here is if some of the character might have been not appeared in the script, right, then they're gonna raise the error. That's why we are using the try and except. So if it is not in the sorted frequency words, then we are just gonna give the value of 1 and add it to the cast counts dictionary. And if we check, finally, unhashable type. Okay, sorry, something. What is different here? Cast count, sorted frequency, words, len cats. Oh, sorry, I was giving a list. No, I was giving, I was just delivering this list, not just a cast variable. So if you do that, so we have a dictionary of how many character has appeared. Clay 30 times, 26 times, Jessica 0, Justin 7 times, Bryce 4 times. Thanks God's sake. Alex 0, Zach 4, Tyler 3, Lining 0 times, Hannah 32. Just because Hannah was the most important character in episode 1, I guess. Kevin 0, Olivia 0, Andy 0. So now it's so good, but if you want it to more organized in a, so we will, if you want to, take up the most appeared character to the first, you can just reuse this dictionary comprehension. So sorted cast and this for XY is sorted cast counts items lambda x 1 to reverse true. So as you know, what this will do is from the cast count, which has the value of how many times they have appeared, we are gonna get it as the key value pair, and we will want to sort this dictionary by the key value, not key, because x1 is the x1 indicates the value, and xy and the key value, and we'll make it as the dictionary. And finally, if we print that, what is invalid syntax? Oh, sorry, this comma. And now we have the dictionary that tells you what appears the most, which character has appeared the most in the episode 1. So Hannah was the first 32 times, Clay was 30 times, Justin 17 times, 26 times, Bryce 4, blah blah blah. Okay, thank you for watching. I know this hasn't been really clear because of the shortage, lack of my proper skill of representing the idea because of my English skills, and I'm not expert in the programming whatsoever, but I hope someone finds this helpful, who are like me, who are really beginner and who want some project and what programming concept can be used in the real world programming. So that's it guys, thanks for watching.